My stomach! Mom, are you okay? Mom? It hurts. Please don't cry, Mom. What should we do? Maya, listen carefully. Maya,
Yes, Mom?
please, call your dad.
I'm calling Dad!
Hurry! Please. Dad, please come home right now.
What?
Please come quickly.
I'm leaving right now. Maya, what's wrong?
Dad, please come home.
What happened?
I can't say.
I'm coming home.
Hurry, Dad!
Hold on, I'm almost there.
Please hurry.
Unlocking it now.
Dad is coming. He said he'll be here soon. Thank you. I hear a car.
Please be okay. I'll be home in a minute. Sophia!
Dad!
Sophia, what happened?
The pain, it's getting stronger. Dad!
We have to go now.
Daniel, I can't.
Hold on, I've got you.
Mom!
We don't have another second to waste. I'm carrying you.
Thank you. I'll open the car!
We're almost there.
It hurts. Mom, stay with us.
Hang on, Sophia.
An ambulance!
Stay close, we'll make it. Please. What happened? My wife, she's in labor.
Please help.
Okay, let's get her on the stretcher.
Sir, you'll have to wait outside. Let's take a look at the baby today.
Everything will be okay.
I hope so. There's your baby. Everything looks perfect. Your baby looks healthy.
That's wonderful.
I can see the baby.
And I have more good news.
Everything looks perfect. Thank goodness.
Thank you, doctor. We are getting a new baby sibling.
Really? Yay!
Look at this perfect pancake flip.
Wow!
Do it again. Careful, let me move these books.
Thank you. We'll help too. I'm feeling better. Rest, Mom.
We're all here for you. Wait, I just remembered something important. Here is some fresh water for you, Mom.
Thank you. Dad always remembers.
The baby's due date is getting close.
The baby will be here soon. I can't wait. It's getting close.
It's time for another doctor's appointment. Let's go see the doctor.
I'm ready. We're coming too. Yay, let's go.
Take it slow.
I'm okay.
We're here!
Welcome. Right this way. Let's take another look. Okay.
We're excited.
Wow, it's moving.
Your baby is growing beautifully.
I can see the baby. Wow.
And here is a special picture for you.
Here's your baby's first picture.
We'll treasure this forever.
It's beautiful. I have a wonderful idea. Let's pick some cute outfits for the baby.
That's a wonderful idea.
I like the teddy bear.
Oh, look at this adorable yellow jumpsuit.
It's perfect.
Look at this one.
This yellow jumpsuit is adorable.
I love it. They are so cute. Can we buy them all?
I wish we could.
Look at all these adorable things.
Whoa, that's a big pile.
This brand looks very good for the baby.
Good choice.
Let's get it.
We are fully prepared now.
The baby is going to love everything. I can't wait to meet our baby.
All set. Have a wonderful day.
Ouch. Mom, are you okay? The baby is kicking.
Our little one is getting stronger.
The baby will be here soon.
I'm going to be the best big brother.
I think you're both ready.
Daniel,
Is it time?
I think so.
Okay, I'm calling. It's time to go.
Is the baby coming? I hope so.
We're only a few minutes away. Stay strong, honey.
I'm trying. We're almost there, Mom.
We're here.
It hurts. We'll take care of you.
The doctor is with your mom.
Will she be okay?
Yes, let's stay strong.
Did you hear that? Was that the baby?
I think it was... Congratulations! Is everyone okay? Mom and baby are both healthy. Would you like to meet the baby?
We have a new baby brother!
Yay! Welcome to our family.
He's perfect.